Hello, and welcome to the Fastex Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to activate Two-Factor Authentication, or 2FA, on Fastex Exchange to add an extra layer of security to your assets. From the main page, navigate to Account in the upper left corner. Click on it, then select Security. Next, choose Two-Factor Authentication and click the Enable Authentication button. Before proceeding, make sure you have the Google Authenticator app installed on your mobile device. If you don't have it yet, download and install it now. Once the app is ready, copy the 2FA setup key shown on your screen. Then, open the Google Authenticator app. Tap the Add button, choose, enter a setup key, paste the key, and tap Add. Now, copy the 6-digit code generated by Google Authenticator and paste it back into the Fastex app where prompted. Complete the process by clicking the Enable Authenticator button. Congratulations, your account is now secured with Two-Factor Authentication. If you have any questions, our live support team is available 24/7 to assist you. Subscribe to this channel to stay updated on all things Fastex Exchange.